this is Seid coming from the U.S. Fertilizer desk here at Freight Investor Services. Just want to give a quick rundown of the week's trade in the NOAA fertilizer markets. Starting out with NOAA urea, we saw the March contract up about $1 this week to $3.64. April values were up about $6 into the $3.67 range. We saw some lower physical sales, lower physical trades earlier in the week, kind of quiet, seeing values drift lower. And then on Thursday, we saw the CF news come in and punch the whole nitrogen complex up higher, and the urea caught some headwind, or some tailwind rather, from that. Speaking of the CF news, CF today, or on Thursday, raised their Cincinnati UAN prices $90 up to $327. That shot the March UAN contract up about 14 bucks in the week to $263. April futures were up almost $50 to around $298, $300 by the end of Thursday. The market is really concerned about domestic supplies. It's going to be interesting to see how that shakes out into spring planting here in the U.S. Finally, over the DAP, we saw a pretty quiet week. March values up about $5 to $504. April prices unchanged around $519, $520. Really quiet week on the physical side of things, but we did see a high value MAP barge trade at $581 and a $530 trade from March physical, which kind of kept support in the market despite a lack of overall activity. That's all I've got this week for the NOAA fertilizer markets. If you have any questions about how fertilizer derivatives might help complement your risk management strategy, please shoot us an email at fertz@freightinvestor.com or visit our company's web homepage at freightinvestorservices.com. Thanks. Have a good rest of your week.